Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first, let's open the settings application, and after that tap to connection and sharing. Here you'll see the NFC section. Tap here once, and now just to activate NFC, click only once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off, you should click on the switcher once again. Here also you can switch the payment method. Just click here to tap and pay. I unfortunately can't do that because I have only one default payment app, so if you'll use the another one, you'll see it here, and after that you can switch it. So, and here also we have the Android beam, so we can see here the tutorial and description what's the option here. So we can see that when Android beam is turned on, you should place the back of your phone near the just another device where NFC will turn on also, and after that you can share with the images, the videos, contacts, web pages, and more, just info with between these two devices. So I'll turn off this option, and if you want to turn it off, you should click here also on the NFC section. So just one more way how you can activate or turn off the NFC. Just open the notification panel, and somewhere on the top bar you should find the NFC icon. In my case, that is the last one here. Just to activate it, or click once on the icon, and to turn it off, click on the icon again. If you want to turn on, just launch the NFC settings. Just hold for a while this icon and you'll launch them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.